It is 2 in the morning. Your phone buzzes on the nightstand. It's another email to support@yourdomain.com. Is it a server crash? A payment failure? No. It is a customer asking how to reset their password. Again. For the 5th time this week. If you run a business, you know this nightmare. You are either moonlighting as a support rep, or you are burning cash hiring people to copy-paste the same 3 answers all day long. But what if that email was read, understood, and answered before your phone even finished vibrating? What if you had an employee who never sleeps, never forgets a policy, and costs almost nothing? Today, we are not talking about some futuristic lab demo. We are talking about building a fully functional AI customer support agent using Zapier. And the best part? You can build it in 10 minutes with 0 code. Welcome to the era where AI fires your support backlog. By the end of this video, you will have the blueprint to automate 90% of your customer service. We are going to walk through the exact 3-step framework to set this up, how to give your AI a brain that actually understands your business, and the trap that most founders fall into when they try to automate too fast. Let's address the elephant in the room. Why Zapier? Why not N8N or Make.com? If you have used visual builders before, you know the pain. You drag a node, wire it to another node, debug the JSON, and suddenly your screen looks like a map of the London Underground. It is powerful, but it is complex. Zapier's AI agents flip this model entirely. Instead of building a flowchart, you are essentially hiring a digital employee. You speak to it in plain English. You tell it, "You are a helpful support agent. Read emails, check our FAQ, and reply." Zapier handles the logic. It connects to over 7,000 apps, Gmail, Slack, Stripe, HubSpot, creating a seamless bridge between your inbox and your data without you needing a degree in computer science. Here is the 3-step blueprint. Forget complex swim lanes. This system runs on a simple loop: trigger, brain, response. Step 1 is the trigger. You connect Zapier to your support inbox. It watches for a new email event. But here is the pro tip: use filters immediately. You do not want your AI replying to marketing blasts or your mom. Filter for keywords like refund, order, or login. Step 2 is the brain. This is where the magic happens. You define the persona. You don't write code, you write a job description. You are a polite customer support agent for a SaaS company. But an AI without knowledge is just a hallucination waiting to happen. You need to give it a source of truth. This is your greatest asset, the knowledge base. You don't need a fancy enterprise wiki. A simple Google Sheet or Notion database works perfectly. Create columns for question, answer, and tags. When an email comes in, the agent queries this sheet. It doesn't guess. It looks up your actual policy on refunds or shipping times. Step 3 is the response. This is where you set the guardrails. You instruct the AI, if you are 90% confident based on the knowledge base, draft and send the reply. If you are unsure, escalate to a human. This confidence threshold is critical. It ensures your AI handles the easy stuff, password resets, order tracking, while your human team handles the complex billing disputes. Let's walk through the setup. You log into Zapier, click New Agent, and connect your Gmail. You paste in your master prompt. Be specific. Tell it the tone. Professional, but friendly. Tell it what to avoid. Never promise refunds without checking the policy. Then, connect your Google Sheet knowledge base. In 10 minutes, you have gone from a blank screen to a working agent. But wait, do not, I repeat, do not unleash this on real customers yet. The most common mistake founders make is skipping the testing phase. You need to hammer this agent with test emails. Send it a "Where is my order?" email. Send it a vague complaint. Watch how it responds. If it hallucinates a discount you don't offer, you tweak the prompt, not the code. This is prompt engineering, and it is the new coding. Think about the scalability here. Human teams do not scale linearly. As you grow from 50 to 500 customers, your ticket volume explodes. Hiring more humans crushes your margins. This AI agent? It scales infinitely. It costs the same whether it answers 5 emails or 5,000. It turns your support department from a cost center into a profit driver by retaining customers through instant responses. This isn't just about saving time, it's about quality. A tired human at 4 p.m. on a Friday makes mistakes. They get snippy. They forget to attach the link. The AI agent maintains the exact tone and accuracy you defined, 24/7. It is the most consistent employee you will ever hire. So, what is your next move? You have the tools. You have the blueprint. The barrier to entry is gone. You can continue to let your inbox run your life, or you can spend 10 minutes today to reclaim hours of your week forever. The future of business belongs to those who automate the routine so they can focus on the exceptional. If you want to dive deeper into the exact prompts I use for these agents, drop a comment below. I might just share my template. Don't forget to subscribe.